What's up?
Anthony, it's, I don't know what time it is.
Approximately 3 o'clock.
Good quality watch there, man.
Thanks.
Zoom in on that bad boy.
Straight from New York, this watch.
Nice. Sunday, about to go home in a few minutes. Serena. Ah. We just planted some plants back here. You can see it took so long to plant those things.
Flora and fauna. You like our new
What
flora
is
and
that
fauna?
called?
I have that. I don't know. Let's go. I've been to that place. That guy is so cheap. I can't believe it.
Nice excess dirt. Little tree. A lot of water.
Get the Mexican.
I'd rather get them. They might come with two places.
Probably get cheaper than you can.
Well, let's try this piece of fun.
Some gunk on the wall there. There's Riri. Aunt Riri. Say hi, Aunt Riri.
How are you? Who am I talking to?
You know what, Nancy?
The camera.
They build cabinets in
Yeah,
the
doing.
garages.
You know I bought a new car?
Yeah.
That's very lovely.
Nice. I picked it out. That's why it's lovely.
Well, what do you cabinet for? What's the difference?
Mommy.
What's the difference? Is a wall
She doesn't
or a
care.
deep cabinet?
Grandma, I mean Nancy. And Aunt.
She wants to show them.
How are you?
Good, Grandma. I mean
They
Aunt
buy
Nancy.
cabinets without the,
You're
without
gonna
the
get
doors.
such a beating from me.
You understand what I'm saying? Rather than help them build a wall.
But then again, what the heck is 6 grandchildren? I got 5 already.
Daddy.
I don't know. Who's grandma? Hi, John. How are you?
Good.
You go into
You have
her
fun here?
garage,
Yeah.
Anthony.
Want to move here?
I guess so, yeah.
I guess so, yeah. Where would you like to move?
This house.
Street? Across the street, or you want to move in with me?
Right next door.
I'm sorry, it's occupied on both sides.
Oh, we'll
That's
kick
not
the,
across
we'll
the
kick
street.
we'll kick Grandma out.
Oh, man.
Thanks a lot.
No, we'll just kick these people out over here.
That's a good, there's across the street.
Okay, how much, Dad? There's Anthony again. We'll go take a tour inside. Word. Nice living room. Good quality fireplace there. Flip switch, if I can. There it is. Fireplace switch. Candies. Take a guide. Check out Precious Moments cabinet. And we'll go check out the kitchen.
Where are the U.S. keys?
Probably in his pocket. There's Chode.
Showed after struggling by putting all the stuff in her suitcase.
The pantry. The pantry.
A palm tree with no nonsense.
Serena.
Meeting in Hershey's Kiss.
Grandma's sleeping. This is Grandma's. We're gonna leave now, Grams. Yeah. Anthony wanted me to take a tour of the house.
Get a good talk?
Anthony wanted me to take a tour of the house with this thing. There's Riri's room. Nice big closet she's got in here. Look at this bad boy. Another minute, we'll have some coffee and leave. Head back for Arizona, nice 6-hour trip. It's not so fun either. Daddy carrying the bags. Shower that I love because you can sit down in. Nice, good quality bathroom. and we get ready, go to Arizona. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
3 weeks. We'll look for you. Talk to you tonight or tomorrow, whatever. This looks familiar, the video. Your car, your mom's car last time.
A what?
Oh, little Serena. When Adele left, I tipped her leaving. See you later.
Be careful.
Hoover Dam.
We're gonna go to Wendy's for dinner. My choice. My treat. It's the choice.
See you now.
And their job is Saturday. Add that stuff on your job application.
All right.
I'll call you if I get the job.
Oh, Ron, I said hello.
Okay.
See you in 3 weeks.
Bye.
3 weeks.